Hello friends, welcome to eKida, numerical second on string efficiency. So the question is, a three-phase transmission line is being supported by three-disc insulator. I already draw the diagram. Three-disc insulators are replaced by capacitor. Capacitor 1, capacitor 2 and capacitor 3. Now, the potential across top unit and middle unit are 8 kV and 11 kV. This is 11 kV. So, voltage across the top unit 8 kV and voltage across the second unit 11 kV. This is 8 kV and middle 11 kV. Now, calculate the ratio capacitance between pin and earth to the self capacitance of each unit. We know that capacitance between pin and earth is shunt capacitance to the self capacitance. The ratio of shunt capacitance to the self capacitance is K. So we have to find out K. Second, we have to find out line voltage, and third, we have to find out string efficiency. First, find out K, ratio of shunt capacitance to self capacitance or mutual capacitance. So, apply KCL at node A. We know KCL states that incoming current is equals to outgoing current. So, I2 is equals to I1 plus small I1, where I2 is V2 into omega C, I1 is V1 into omega C, whereas small I1 is equals to V1 into omega Cs. Now send omega C on the right hand side. So V2 is equals to V1 plus V1. We know C is the ratio of Cs by C is equals to K. So K, shunt capacitance by self capacitance. So we can write this as V2 is equals to V1 1 plus K. We have to find out K. So K is equals to V2 minus V1 upon V1. Now we know the value for V1 and V2. V1 is 8 kV and V2 is 11 kV. To put the value of V2 and V1, V2 is 11 minus 8 upon 8. This is equals to 0.375. So K is equals to 0.375. So we have to find out now line voltage. We know this total voltage, line voltage is V. So we already know V1 and V2. So find out V3. So apply KCL at node B. At node B, I3 is equals to I2 plus small I2. We know I3 is equals to V3 into omega C, whereas I2 is equals to V2 into omega C, and I1 is equals to V1 plus V2, because I2 is lie between this point and this point, this tower. This tower point is here and this here. So total voltage is V1 plus V2. So V1 plus V2 into omega Cs. Now send omega C on the right hand side. We can write this as V2 plus V1 plus V2. We know Cs by C is equals to K. So put the value of K and V2 and V1. So V3 is equals to 11 plus 8 plus 11 into 0.375. You already find out the value for K, that is 0.375. Now V3 is equals to 18.12 kilovolt. Now voltage between line and earth, V1 plus V2 plus V3. Put the value for V1, V2, V3. V1 is 8, V2 is 11. So 8 plus 11 plus V3 is 18.12. This is equals to 37.12 kV. Now we have to find out the line voltage. So line voltage is equals to, for three phase, root 3 into V. So this 3 into 37.12. This is equals to 64.28 kV. Now third, we have to find out the string efficiency. We know the formula for string efficiency. String efficiency is equals to We know formula for string efficiency. This is equals to voltage across string upon number of insulators into V3, voltage near the conductor. So voltage across string V is equals to 37.12 kV. 37.12 kV. Number of insulators 3 and V3 is 18.12 kV. 18.12. Now we get into 100. Now on solving, 68.28%. String efficiency is equals to 68.28%. Thank you.